My experience working on the Climate Innovation Challenge has been very uplifting. It's easy to get down thinking about climate change, and this is a curriculum that gives myself and my students hope for the future.
My experience has been great. It was wonderful to see my students using their knowledge that they learned in the classroom with real-world applications.
Seeing my students learn more about the world that they're in and how they can have a positive impact on it, and to see them sort of tap into their innovative brains has been amazing.
The engagement of my students, the energy of my students, the way that the project allows them to find something that they are passionate about and approach climate change through that angle has been really powerful.
Seeing kids actively taking part in the role, I think it just reminds me how urgent this is to get kids involved in the solution that's going to be, to a problem that's going to be facing their generation.
When I teach science, there's nothing more important, nothing more critical than getting kids thinking about what causes climate change and what they can do about it.
It's important to teach students what they can do now and in the future, so that way the world and the earth is set up for success for future generations.